friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking waffle cut fries in the air fryer. So we just need a package of frozen waffle cut fries. No need to defrost, it's gonna cook it straight from frozen. So I'm going to open up the fries. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to put frozen fries in the basket. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the fries so it'll cook more evenly. And now put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these waffle cut fries. They're so golden brown and crispy. See here? So crispy. Now let me take them out of the air fryer. They look so delicious. I'm so excited about trying them. Now let's try it. Hear how crunchy? So good. You're going to love cooking these waffle cut fries in the air fryer. Air fryer is perfect for making frozen fries. They're so crispy and delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!